Before you begin the new school year with your prep, I really encourage you to take the time to practice packing the school bag with your child. It can be a huge thing to come to school if you've not ever had to do that for yourself. So talk through what's in the bag, where to find your lunchbox, where's the drink bottle. It's a really good idea to pack some extra clothing, perhaps a pair of underwear or some socks in case there is an accident. Tell your child about that so that if these situations arise, they don't have to feel worried or nervous, they know what they need to do. The other thing that's really important to do when you're packing your bag is to talk about this is where your jumper goes when you take your jumper off, or this is where you'll find your reading folder. The more you talk and practice the scenarios with your prep child, the more success they'll have at school.